If you want to get 1,000 subscribers within 24 hours, do short. You are playing with your channel. You are playing with your channel. Don't try it. See, there's a way for you to do short if you want to get monetized on YouTube. Or it's not just about posting short. A lot of people will say, what will I be posting on my see? Before you started doing your YouTube, first of all, know these things that what niche am I going into? Once you know the niche you are going into, then you can now see it and strategize like I want to base on a long form. The long form might not promote well as you get started. If you post on a short, there's possibility for you to gain more views on your short, but don't just post short like you just post video. Post short to gain more people to come to your long form video. That's how short can affect your channel in a good way. If you are someone that's go and copy another content online, you are posting on your social media page. I have some accounts right here which I'm just going through some channels and I see this person have been creating video for the past 3 years and having 4 views, 50 views, 45 views. And I think that me that I started creating content on this YouTube as of January 2025, I'm gaining more views than this person. This person doesn't have 100 views. All these views stop at 89 views. So for me, that's just to get started. I have 3K views, 4K views, 2K views, 200 views, 300 views, 700 views. What happened is that this person doesn't come like someone that takes YouTube serious. If you want to get started, you are doing making money in it. Focus on giving people what they like on your short. Like give them short videos about your long videos so that they can come and watch your long video. That's how you grow when you are doing these things together. There's some channel that all their new viewers come from short, but when they watch the part of the short, you go and want the long form. That's when YouTube see this person is serious to grow his channel. Then they will put and join hand with you to give you more recommendation on your video if people are watching it from the beginning to the end. If you are someone that want to make a lot of money from this online space, it's not when that you started posting short you will get more view. No, you can get views without posting short. And I can tell you and assure you because this happened to me and I see the bad effect of it right now. When I get started with starting my first YouTube channel, right, I gained 3,000 views in just 24 hours and 100 subscribers in 24 hours and 150 watch hour within 24 hours. And when I did this and when I gained this, I don't have shorts on my channel. The only shorts that I have is when I opened the YouTube as at 2019 and the shorts just start gaining view. So how does this affect my channel? When these shorts started gaining views, more viewers come from shorts. I don't have new viewers for my long form video. That's how all these things just finish like that. So if people tell you you make money with shorts, just forget about it. Start new things. That's how you grow in this online space.